Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are at final part of the subseries table valued functions. In this video we will see how to use the multi-line table valued function which we created in the previous video. So now let's go to the demo and see how to use the multi-line table valued function. So now we are into the pubs database query window. First, let us execute select star from sales, and here we get all the sales records. There are totally 21 sales, and let us pick a specific order number, and you can see there is a specific order number P3087A. That's what we specified here, and that specific order number sold for book titles. These are all the book title IDs. To know the title name, we have to make a join. Here we have the store ID. All these are sold by a specific store, and these are all the quantity. And title, these are all the titles. Now let's see how to use our table valued function. When we use cursor, in the cursor we used the subset of this table only, and we processed it row by row. Then we filled the store name and title name, quantity, and total quantity sold. So the total quantity sold is not sum of this, but we take this specific title and see how many got sold by other stores and other order numbers. Now let's execute our table valued function, and if you see, call the function to know title name, store name, also how many total quantity a specific title was sold. Right, so the same order, we know that our get order info multi-line table valued function will accept a order number, and we are giving the order number, and when we execute it tells what is the store name, document quality L, that's the store name, and the title sold is this one, quantity is 20, total sold also 20. So that means these are the only order. The book sold as well as total sold is same. We will pick one more example. Here, if you see, select star from sales where order number equal to 722, and for the given order 722A, we have 3 quantity sold, and book title is PS2091. Right, now here by executing this we know the title ID PS2091, and let's see how many such PS2091 is sold on multiple orders. So here we are talking about the order number 722A, right? 3 quantity is sold PS2091, and it got sold by other order numbers as well, and there are other stores involved in the sales. So this will be the good example, 722A, and if you see, it has only one row, 722A, Okay, everywhere it looks like only one. There is one more order. Let's try. Just checking, is there more books ordered? Okay, let's go with our original example itself. So it contains only one row. This is quantity, but total quantity sold is sum of these 20 plus 10, 30, and yeah, summation of this. Alright, now we will use our table valued function. Now we picked an example, right? Let's take one more example to pick a title sold via multiple orders. This title is sold via multiple order. You can see that here, right? There are different order numbers. Same title is sold, and there are different store involved. Now, if we invoke our function, and it will tell quantity is 3, total sold is 108. That means on this specific order, quantity 3 is told, quantity 3 is sold, and the total sold by other order and store numbers are 108. So this is how our table valued function is working. You can also use this table valued function in table join as well. Suppose if you are joining this with some other table, you can make use of this table valued function, but here we don't have any ID, right? If you want to make a join, then you have to include ID in the table definition itself. That means the return table should have a record ID for mapping purpose. That's all here in this video, and we are ending this sub-series. Thank you for watching. Bye.